Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to see the applications of binomial distribution. So before going to application, let us see what is binomial distribution. So basically binomial distribution is a probability distribution that is used to model the probability that a certain number of successes occur during a certain number of trials. So in this video I will share a few examples or few applications of how the binomial distribution is used in the real world. So the first application is number of side effects from medications. So medical professionals use the binomial distribution to model the probability that a certain number of patients will experience side effects as a result of taking new medications. So let us see an example. For example, suppose it is known that 5% of adults who take a certain medication experience negative side effects. So we can use a binomial distribution calculator to find the probability that more than certain number of patients in a random sample of 100 will experience negative side effects. So here I took the three cases, that is P of x greater than 5 patients experience negative side effects, P of x greater than 10 patients experience side effects, P of x greater than 15 patients experience side effects. So let us calculate for P of x greater than 5 patients. So here we are calculating for P of x greater than 5 patients. So the probability of success on given trial is 0.05, that is 5% of adults experience side effects. The number of trials are 100 and we are calculating for P of x greater than 5. So after entering the values, let us calculate. We will get as P of x greater than 5 is 0.384000. So as you can see here, we got a 0.38400. Here is also 0.38400. So for P of x greater than 10 is 0.01147 and P of x greater than 15 is 0.0004 and so on. So this gives medical professors an idea of how likely it is that more than a certain number of patients will experience negative side effects. So the second application is number of fraud transactions. So banks use the binomial distribution to model the probability that a certain number of credit card transactions are frauds. For example, suppose it is known that 2% of all credit card transactions in a certain region are fraudulent. If there are 50 transactions per day in a certain region, we can use a binomial distribution calculator to find the probability that more than a certain number of fraud transactions occur in a given day. So here I took the three cases. P of x greater than 1 fraudulent transaction is 0.026423. P of x greater than 2 fraudulent transactions is 0.07843. P of x greater than 3 fraudulent transactions is 0.01776 and so on. So thus this gives banks an idea of how likely it is that more than a certain number of fraudulent transactions will occur in a given day. So I have calculated these values by using binomial distribution calculator as we have done in the previous application. Some other examples are number of spam emails per day and shopping returns per week. So these are the main application of binomial distribution in real life. Thank you.